out to water a plant. First things first, make sure you got your water in here. Secondly, make sure all electronics are moved away. Make sure you grab your vase of water, and what you want to do is you want to spoon feed it like a baby. You don't want to give it too much at once, because too much at once, you're going to overfeed. One at a time. You want to kind of spin the plant around a little bit. Feed the baby just like this. What kind of plant is this, babe?
Huh?
What kind of plant is this?
I forgot them. So yeah, something cheap.
Not a money tree, is it?
No, this was the money tree.
Feed. And there's a such thing as underfeeding. So you want to spin and get this last side and feed the baby. And that's how you water a plant.